Once the project is completed, fish will be able to migrate up and downstream of this point, which will help to sustain our native fish populations. Melbourne Water have constructed a rock ramp fishway, which enables fish to migrate upstream and seek refuge. The species that this project is targeting are diadroma species, the common galaxis and the short-finned eel. They require access to fresh water and the ocean in order to complete their life cycle.
The fish ladder is constructed with imported, locally sourced rock. We construct on site, we can match it into the natural waterway and the environment. We'll import approximately 500 tonne of rock. There's 11 stages of fishway. All the water in the creek is bypassed using pumps. So we've got 3 8-inch pumps on site. Each 8-inch pump can pump approximately 10 megalitres a day.
How can fish swim up that channel? Having this going on right now is really exciting for everybody that lives around here, and also for the fact that here's a big engineering project for biodiversity. It's just a winner. I follow the project daily with great excitement.
It's a really lovely, local, special project, but it means a lot to us, and that's what it's all about at this point. It's really doing what we can in tangible projects that protect our environment.
You can see the water cascading down and forming eddies, which is exactly what you'd expect it to do, to give those little refuges on the steps up for the fish coming through. This is connectivity in action, but also the connectivity of society. So we connect people with the creek and people with people who love the creek.
Several members of the public often come and ask what's happening, and they're all seem pretty excited and happy with what's happening.
Having a place that people can come where they can sort of escape the city, don't have to leave it, but they're just getting out into the bush. They can hear the birds, sit by the creek or paddle, or it's a place where people can actually relax and enjoy the environment.
I live really nearby, so I do a lot of walks here in the park, solo and with friends, and yeah, it's a great place to come. The running water's really relaxing, and yeah, I think I'll come and sit down here and try and spot some fish, definitely.
The ecological benefits for the waterway and the community as well will benefit. It's been really great working on this project. It's a really good opportunity to share this knowledge in order to sustain healthy fish populations.